How to use Australia Post Parcel Locker is something I wish someone explained to me before my first delivery got sent back. First thing to know, a parcel locker is not just a random box on the street. It's a 24 by 7 locker that Australia Post uses. So you do not have to wait at home for a delivery or line up at the post office. You can choose it as your delivery address when you are shopping online, or you can redirect a parcel to one after it's already on the way. To use one, you need a locker location that has space and accepts the size of your parcel. When you are checking out online, just select parcel locker as the delivery option and pick the address closest to you. If the parcel already in transit, you can usually redirect it through the tracking page as long as the sender allowed it. Once your parcel arrives, you will get a notification. Usually, there's an SMS or email with a collection code, a QR code, or both. Do not delete that message. You will need it to open the locker. When you get to the locker, tap the screen and select collect parcel. Scan your code. Scan your QR code or type in the collection code and your postcode. The local door will pop open and you will got a short time to grab your parcel before it locks again. If you miss it, just start the process over with the same code. Sending a parcel from a locker works too. You book it online first, get a barcode, then take your prepaid pre-labeled parcel to the locker. Tap send parcel, scan the barcode in the right size. A door will open for you to drop it in. There are a few things that can go wrong. The locker might be full, so the sender cannot deliver there. Your code might expire if you leave it too long. Often, after 3 days, and the locker only take parcels up to a certain size and weight. If your item is too big, I'll go to a post office instead. My best tip is to check the locker location before you select it. Some are inside shopping centers and close overnight. Even through, sorry, even others are truly 24 by 7 on the street. Also, make sure your phone has a reception when you go to collection because you need that code. That's basically it. No quiz, no missed deliveries, and you can grab your stuff on your way home from work. So, if this helped you out, tell me which locker you use most, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.